Ankle stability. Fortify your foundation. Running on uneven surfaces like a trail or a well-worn sidewalk requires ankle strength, balance, and proprioception. The ankle is a very mobile joint. Its large range of motion allows us to perform a variety of movements, including running, jumping, and cutting, but also contributes to its vulnerability. The biggest problem after an ankle sprain is the resulting instability of the ankle. To prevent future injuries and rehabilitate previous ankle sprains, the focus must be on increasing strength, balance, and proprioception. 4-direction TheraBand exercises. Perform 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Dorsiflexion. Wrap the middle part of the band across the top of your foot. Pull your toes towards your face. Plantarflexion. Wrap the middle part of the band around the ball of your foot. Hold the band in both hands. Gently press the band down and point your toes. Inversion. Wrap the middle part of the band around the ball of your foot. Hold both sides of the band in one hand and pull the foot outwards. Gently press the band inwards and upwards. Eversion. Wrap the middle part of the band around the ball of the foot. Hold both sides of the band in one hand and pull the foot inwards. Gently press the band outwards and upwards. Single leg hop drills. Tape a square onto the floor. Hop in all 4 directions, changing your hop pattern constantly. Do this for 30 seconds to a minute. Repeat 3 times. Dynamic balance. Stand on your injured leg. Bring your opposite leg in the front, side, and back of your body, balancing for 30 seconds in each direction. Repeat all the way through 3 times. To make it more difficult, move to an uneven surface such as a pillow or a stability mat.